Say today's May 12th, 2015.
Okay. Press it.
Jordan's birthday. I
Did
think
you press
is
it?
it going on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you press it? Yeah.
Yes, Jordan's birthday. He's doing 5 warheads.
And I'm
Turn the
here.
light on. See if you can. Not you. Get that light one on too.
And I'm gonna try to use 5 warheads. Okay, Mom, get a bucket.
What?
Gotta chew. Let it. Is it too much?
Mama!
Get her, please. Are you gonna cry?
It's hurting his face.
Ooh!
Okay, suck it. You gotta suck up the sour stuff. You gonna take it out? Give him a bowl. Give him a bowl. Over here. There you go.
One is even too sour.
Can't even see. Is it? Yeah, you're full now?
It's kind of sweet. It's kind of sweet.
So the sourness, the sourness is.
Whoa.
Ew, one is too sour.
Oh.
Guys, come over here. This way.
Oh, my mouth is numb.
You still have the 5?
Ew.
I don't know if you saw me when I cleaned
Maria?
the bowl, but I was using it
Hi.
to do the side.
Aww.
It's like a big toothbrush. Almost. What are you doing?
Okay, ask Mo,
I
because she
just-
used it for the
I just did 5
the
warheads
pole.
at a time.
Or her
It hurt my tongue.
car.
I want to look at my tongue.